everyone. I'm Alsujay Kinder from College of Engineering at Capital University. For today's video, we're going to solve a problem for R11 series. So let's go! So for our first problem, we have here the given of 24 volts, and the R is the resistance, which is R1 is 15 ohms, R2 is 46 ohms, R3 is 49 ohms, and R4 is 11 ohms. So in this problem, as you can see here, this is a parallel circuit. So if this is a parallel circuit, we're going to solve with the formula of parallel circuit. So the formula of parallel circuit is 1 over R. So we have to substitute the R1 in this formula. So for R1 here is 1 over 15 ohms plus 1 over 46 ohms is equals 0.0884. So for the R total of 3 and 4, we are going to substitute the 1 over R3, which is 49 ohms, plus 1 over R4, which is 11 ohms, is equals to 0.1113. So for our set B, we're going to total the R total of 1, 2, and 4. So we're going to substitute the answer here. So the R total of 1, 2 is 0.0884 plus 0.1113 is equals to 0.1997. So for our set E, we are going to total the I total, which is current. So the formula is voltage total over resistance total. So our voltage here is 24 volts over 0.1997 is equals to 180.1802. So that's all for problem 1. So now let's proceed to problem number 2. So the problem number 2 here, we have the given of 60 volts. The R1 is 15 ohms, the R2 is 46 ohms, and the R2 is 49 ohms. So first we have to solve the parallel circuit. So the formula of this is R total of 2 and this equals to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So to substitute, 1 over 46 ohms plus 1 over R3, which is 49 ohms, is equals to 0.0421. And now for the set B, we're going to total the series circuit and we're going to use the series formula. So R total of 1 to 3 is equals to R1 plus R total of 2 and 3. So 10 ohms plus 0.0421 is equals to 10.0421. So now we have calculated the resistance and now let's proceed to the current. So the formula of current is I total is equals to voltage total over resistance total. So we have here 60 volts over 10.0421 is equals to 5.9748. So that's all for problem number 2. So for our problem number 3, we have here a given of 300 volts, R1 of 15 ohms, R2 of 46 ohms, R3 49 ohms, and R4 is 11 ohms. So to get the total of R1 and 2, we have to use the series circuit formula, which is R1 plus R2. So R1 here is 15 plus 46 is equals to 61. So after we get the R total of 1 and 2, we have to proceed to the parallel circuit and use parallel circuit formula. 1 over R total of 1, 2, 3 is equals to 1 over R12 plus 1 over R3. So 1 over R1 and 2 is 61 plus 1 over R3 is 49 is equals to 0.0268. 0.0268. So for set C, we have here a series circuit. So we are going to use the series formula. So R total of 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to R1, 2, 3 plus R4. So the total of R1, 2, 3 is 0.0368 plus 11 is equals to 11.0268. 11.068. So for our step B, we're going to calculate the current. So I total is equal to voltage total of our system total. So we have here a voltage of 300 volts over 11.068 is equals to 27.1817. So that's all for problem number 2. So now let's proceed to the final problem for today's video. So we have here a given of 30 volts, R1 of 15 ohms, R2 of 46 ohms, and R3 of 49 ohms. So let's calculate the parallel circuit first. So we have to use the parallel circuit formula. So 1 over R total of 2 and 3 is equal to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So we have to substitute it. So 1 over R2 is equal to 46 plus 1 over R3 is 49 is equals to 0.0421. So for our step B, we have to calculate the series circuit, so we have to use the series formula. R total of 1, 2, 3 is equals to R1 plus R total of 2 and 3. So we have here the R1 of 15 ohms plus 0.0421 is equals to 15.0421. So for our step C, we are going to calculate the current. So I total is equals to voltage total over R total. So we have here a 30 volts over 15.0421 is equals to 1.9944. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye!